I'll leave it to it, yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Just give me a call when you don't know, what the problem is.
No problem. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this ideal classic. The customer says they've got hot water, that's working fine, but the heating isn't. So they had another gas engineer come out and he changed the wireless room thermostat, the external room stat. But unfortunately it's still not working. So they've asked me to have a look at it, hopefully diagnose it and repair it for them. So the first thing I want to check is the hot water, if that is working correctly, and thankfully it is working okay. So then next thing I'm going to do is just put the demand on for heating, and then we'll move on from there. And in this video we're going to diagnose the issue and hopefully repair it too. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Guys, this video was sponsored by Easy Estate, your local letting agent in Birmingham. As an introductory offer, we're offering all our landlords free boiler repair cover and gas safety certificate. So if you're interested, give us a call now. Right guys, I did put the demand on. Unfortunately, nothing happened. So I've opened up the boiler and we're just checking the wiring on it now. Right, I'm just getting a feeling. I don't think this clock is right. I think that's faulty, but don't know yet. And this grey wire isn't connected to anything, so I think we gotta do some rewiring here, and then we're gonna have to move on and see what's the matter, if there's anything else wrong with this boiler. Right guys, got the internal clock out, and guess what, he hasn't been wired in. Now I gotta rewire this in, and then hopefully there's nothing else wrong with this boiler. Right guys, I've rewired it all back in, but I still believe that the internal clock isn't working properly. Otherwise, why would they put external wireless room stat in? So I'm just going to wire and test it out, and then if it still doesn't work, then I'm going to loop it. Nothing so far, and I've got the demand on, it's set on 32 Celsius, but there's still nothing happening to the boiler. Right, it hasn't worked, so I guess that internal clock is faulty. I've looped it from here, and now we're going to test it out. And guess what, the burner lights come on and the C is displaying. Let's see, we'll just see if the pipes are warming up too. Yep, they're warming up. So I guess I've looped it, and that clock, the internal clock was faulty. So it looks like it's working okay now. Right guys, the central heating is on. Right, if you look at it, that's warm. That's really hot now, yeah? It's all working fine now. Right guys, sorted this boiler out. The hot water was working fine, but the heating wasn't. Somebody came before me, fitted one of these ESIs, and I think it messed up the wiring on it. But it's all working fine now. I rewired it all correctly and it's all working fine now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Right guys, this is a short video and it's an easy repair I'm going to share with you. Now I've been asked to have a look at this baxi, and the customer said they can't get the temperature going over 30 Celsius. So they asked me to come out, and they were suspicious that the thermistor is faulty on it. But anyway, it's more simple than that.
Still on it? Sorry, what was it then?
1 second. Right, so I'll reduce the temperature on it and it's going down. Probably go to 40 Celsius, fire back up and take it to 50 to 55. So all good on this. So that's it. And what is it? I'm just doing for my YouTube video. Right guys, that boiler, I've just repaired it, and guess what was wrong with it? It was on minimum, and the customer said that I can't get it over 30 Celsius. So all I had to do is increase the temperature on the knob and it's working fine. Let me just show you. All I had to do is increase the knob. It was on minimum. There. Okay. So it's on minimum. They couldn't get over 30 Celsius. And you're saying something's wrong with the sensor's gone in it. But anyway, I come down. All I had to do is increase the temperature and it's working fine. So basically, there's nothing wrong with these. All I had to do is increase the temperature. But if yours is broken down, give me a call. I'll sort it out for you. Birmingham. Till next time, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.